is Johnny Williams, and my topic or country of presentation would be South Africa. I had the pleasure of visiting South Africa when I was in the military about 5, 6 years ago. And I must admit, to my surprise, I expected to go there and see, and I know this thing sounds kind of crazy, but I expected to see animals roaming around and things of that nature. But when I got there, I was surprised to see a bustling city. Um, a modern city. People are nice. I've heard of South Africa and some of the issues that it had, and still has. So it's quite surprising to see people friendly and nice. Um, just a vibrant city, and I'll look forward to going back there one day if I ever get the opportunity to go back. But I just want to present my presentation on South Africa, and you guys enjoy it.